child. Single, ready to mingle, prep routine. Join me as I go to amazing me, Cuttz and Despa as I go and get my facial, my nails, massage. My sister's gonna get a pregnancy massage, and the spa is located at Bodega Square. And actually I'm really a high maintainer, like being pretty costs so much cash. Let's go. I'm really a high maintainer. If you like this kind of videos, you know what to do. Before we proceed, give this a big thumbs up. Single
like and subscribe.
Cuttz and Despa is on Bodega Square along the Road Spa Highway, and I'm gonna get a manicure, and then later on I'm gonna do a facial. So I'm always basic. I'm going with white. I'm gonna get a white gel polish. Waiting for my facial. I feel like a queen. They are so basic, but I like them like this because I cook and all those things. So guys, this is the spine. I'm gonna change it. So I've changed. Wait, yeah, I've changed. I have my gown on, so I'm gonna enjoy a facial. I have no makeup on right now, just lipstick. Guys, this is my first professional facial. My problem areas is always this ones. See, I have no makeup on. So this is before. It's a scrub.
Yep. It smells nice.
I feel so good. Not yet done.
It's too hot.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Tell me if it's too hot. Juu mafuta zinaweza kuwa a little bit hot. They're okay?
Yeah. So this is called what?
It's just a small facial massage because we use L'Oreal. It's in our package.
Do you mind being seen?
No?
You look so cute.
Oh, thank you. Hi. Subscribe to her channel.
Thank you.
So I'm just using the hot stones just to stimulate your muscles kidogo, your nerves. And because we have our L'Oreal, it's in our package. So if you get your L'Oreal facial, we give you a free hot stone facial massage.
I feel so good. So I'm gonna steam right now.
It's going to be a little bit hot. Not too hot, just a little bit. If it's too hot, you tell me.
It's okay.
You're breathing?
Yeah.
You're okay?
Yeah. So my blackhead is removed. Now I'm gonna have the mask. Sorry about the lighting. It's getting dark.
Crazy, but you're going to feel amazing after this.
Thank you.
Just
Okay. So this is a clay mask. Yeah. I'm gonna dry it for 5 to 6 minutes and then I'll do moisturizer. I feel like a queen. Let me tell you, I've never done a professional facial.
so for a clay mask, we wipe it off. And then we have peel off masks. Zile masks za kawaida, you know those ones? So this one, the clay one, it has like some minerals. When it dries up, the skin absorbs it. For the peel, it also has some benefits. But that one, when you peel it off, it digs into the pores and then it drags out the dirt when you peel it. Sugar, kama cell tape, no sugar. But for this one, the minerals are absorbed and then you wipe it off. Are we learning?
Yes. So facial tumefanya inaitwa.
This is our L'Oreal Paris. Most of the products they have lines. So this one is the flower line, I guess. Yeah, the fine flowers. Fine flower L'Oreal face care line. That's it. We have Oriflame. And we have another one. I don't know the name, but that one is medicated.
No, but
But that one is medicated. Yeah. L'Oreal Paris Fine Flower Care Line. It's actually a wash.
Huh?
It's actually a wash. It's okay, so let me explain. So this is the sort of moisturizer, I would say that, but it's in form of a wash. So you can actually get this and just wash your face with it. So it will repair your skin. It repairs and it softens and it protects.
Okay.
And it smells nice.
It feels good. Nice, the moisturizer.
It's a wash. So this is our Oriflame line. We have Oriflame here. This is not for everyone, by the way. Let me just make this clear. I'm only doing it because I like her.
And you're a subscriber.
Yes, I'm a subscriber.
Thank you.
So this one is Oriflame day cream. They have a day cream and a night cream. So day cream for day and night cream for
night.
Not for everyone, by the way. Mimi mtu akikuja hapa senze kuniambia oh.
Thank you.
You look nice.
Oh.
You're glowing from here.
Thank you. So tumemaliza. So my sister is getting a pregnancy massage. I don't know what it's called. This is my first time even in a massage. So she's gonna get a massage for 1 hour. We are at Amazing Cuttz and Spa. Amazing Cuttz and Spa. Yes. Value. It's 35 feet. That's almost 8 months. Yeah. So you're going to have a December baby. So you know you're going to give reviews before and after.
Yes.
This is your first time.
First time massaging.
Yes.
Yeah, while I'm pregnant. Yes.
Sasa mtoto ameni.
Yes.
Okay. So I've done my facial. I feel fresh. So wow. So we are finished. Tomorrow I have like normal daylight. I'm gonna show you like my skin. Okay. Morning guys. This is the next day. My nails are done. Can see I love them short and precise because your girl cooks and washes dishes and clothes and house. So I don't need something. I don't know. I don't understand how people have long nails and they cook. So this is my skin. I had a facial from L'Oreal. Yeah, L'Oreal. They use the L'Oreal products, and this is my face right now. Okay. Yeah, this should be the so I wanted to say those are the spa do a lot of things. They do men's grooming, they do massage, steam and sauna, manicure and pedicures. Yeah, you should go there. I love new cute places and it's really good. And to book an appointment, like contact them here. at this number. Oh, and this is the facial I did. I feel so fresh. I have no makeup on.